Hey guys, it's Miz, and anyways, I'm gonna do a video on what I got today. Also, this is like a late thing that I got. You can't really see. I'm like trying to show it, kind of attached, but it says Hustle, and it's a light thing. Oh, wait, can you see? Oh, yeah. So it says Hustle. I don't know because it looks kind of odd, but yeah, that's what I have on my desk. First, I got this like gift today, and it's like a late Christmas gift because we haven't seen each other in a long time. And in here was a gift card to Bath and Body Works, $25, and then I got Winter Candy Apple Lotion, Winter Candy Apple Spray. This is like obviously my favorite scent, and Winter Candy Apple Body Cream, and a little Christmas mug. Super cute. And then I was like, I'm gonna use my gift card now. I'm gonna end up having like a reward on the app, and I was like, God bless. And this is, everything is all in here because, oh my, everything's all in here because I didn't really feel like carrying a bunch of bags because, yeah, you're balling when you have a bunch of bags, but I was so tired and lazy. I was like, oh, do I really want to carry all of this? So I didn't. Okay. I don't know what to start with. We'll start with the bags inside the Bath and Body Works bags. So I went to Champs. I won't say names, but a family member got me a gift card. Actually, no, they got me shoes for Christmas, and I ended up not getting the shoes. I didn't. I said someone. Gosh, ruining my video. Ugh. My gosh. And then I got these Adidas like leggings, and I got another Adidas thing because the shoes that they got me didn't fit, and they were the ones that I needed were like $50 more, and I was like, I'm broke, so I was gonna use a gift card, and I ended up spending like $5 more on the entire outfit. I also went to Ulta. Yay me! Also, sorry, my sister keeps going back and forth. That's why I'm like smiling like that way. And then I got a Maybelline New York mascara. What's it called? Ardell Wispies. And 600 Demi Wispies. Oh, I got the same one. And then I got the Ardell 600 Wispies. And then 2 eyeliners. Voila. And they're both by Essence, right? Yeah, Essence. I hope they're by Essence. And then onto Bath and Body Works. This bag is so huge. Like, it makes me feel like I have money, you know? But I got it during the sale, so I'm like, ding. Okay. But let's get started. Holy. And like I said before, Winter Candy Apple. Okay, you know I'm a mess. I'm loud. Okay. Winter Candy Apple is one of my favorite scents. So I stocked up on shower gels. Like, I only literally buy shower gels at Bath and Body Works, only when they're on sale though. And I got 3 Winter Candy Apples, so this should last me for a good while because I got a lot of bath soap products. I'm always struggling when it comes to like soap stuff. But what else? I got, sorry, I'm a mess. Oh, another shower gel. This one is Live Fresh, and I got the perfume. I got the perfume to go with it. And then I got a body oil because my boyfriend had got me the almond and vanilla scrub the first time we went to Bath and Body Works. And I got another shower gel. As you can tell, I'm stocking up on shower gels. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That should be 5 months worth of soap till May. I think I should be fine. But yeah, I got that. you get like a reward or like for how much you spend and stuff. And so I checked and it was like wallet with one little notification, and it was like free product that is worth $16.50, and I ended up getting this. And then I got home and I read it, and it's a moisturizing body wash. So technically I'm just stocked on body wash. I love 1,000 Wishes. 1,000 Wishes is my scent. Winter Candy Apple, 1,000 Wishes, that's my go-to. But that's everything that I got today. As you can tell, Winter Candy Apple is my favorite scent of all time. And I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I like doing these videos because I love watching these. I'm not trying to brag in any kind of way because these are fun to film. And I'm loud as heck. As you see, my family likes to interrupt me and be a part of the experience when I'm filming. But I'm gonna go, and don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you guys have any suggestions for what kind of video you guys want to see next, just comment down below. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye!